I'm Heather MacKenzie-Childs.
And I'm Nils Chaplet.
Victoria and Richard MacKenzie-Childs are my parents. They bought this ferry in 2004. They had already been through bankruptcy with MacKenzie-Childs, the business that they started in 1983.
Yankee was built in Philadelphia in 1907, and it was meant to be a bit of a luxury ferry.
Victoria, she always loved New York, with all the layers of texture and people and cultures coming together, but she couldn't find how to be there with lots of space to work, and had this idea of wanting to be on a boat. It was just an extraordinary way of living in Manhattan, but feeling almost like you're, out at sea. This boat was very inspirational for really being like a rebirth of ideas. It was love at first sight, for sure.
To get early and ad-free access to the full feature presentation of the Yankee Ferry, go to homeworthyplus.com or scan the QR code on screen.